for parents in Karwar.
So here is the entry, but the entry fees here per person is 40. So as you enter inside, you can see kind of statues. There's like family members catching a big fish, showing their prize they have got. There is small boat here. As you can see there, that one is a lighthouse. If they are covered it, they are not allowed to enter inside. And yes, this place also is a very beautiful and full of natural things. As you can see, they have created kind of sculptures of all people for their traditional and their lifestyle. So guys, if you are here in Karwar, don't miss to visit this place. It's a very natural place, looking good, clean and green. So there you can see there are two members showing their traditional dress, and also here they are also showing their traditional dance. And guys, you can see here this farmer with these two cows. If you are still watching my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe guys. Guys, do visit this place. Wow, it's very nice. It's very clean and green. It's awesome place guys. And this place also is located near Rabindranath Tagore beach, not too far from the main road also. Guys, do come and spend your time here with your family members. Wow, it's awesome place, nice, clean and green. So many trees you can see. And finally guys, we are reaching at the end of videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and to share to your friends and family. So guys, see you in the next video. Have a good day, great time. Bye bye.